Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by clarifying how you'll use the music and why that matters for license choice. You must pick commercial versus personal use, and note if the platform monetizes content. Once done, list mood, length, format, and any tempo or vocal restrictions. This guides searches and filters. Next, select acceptable licenses, public domain, royalty-free, or specific Creative Commons variants. Make sure to record those constraints in a simple brief, so every track you consider fits your legal and creative needs. Search reputable libraries and marketplaces, applying filters for license, length, BPM, and mood so you don't waste time. Use preview and download tools to test tracks in your project. This reveals issues early. Read the license text verbatim, check composer credits and whether attribution or restrictions apply. If a track is labeled royalty-free, confirm whether that covers commercial use versus one-time fees. Once you narrow options, download stems or WAVs, and keep a copy of the license documentation for each file. Import the selected track, then balance loudness, EQ, and sidechain so voice and music coexist. Make sure to embed the license and any required attribution in your description or project metadata. This prevents automated claims. Export a version with visible metadata and keep the original license PDF. If a platform flags your content, respond immediately with the license, purchase receipt, and a concise explanation of use. Escalate to support if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: always retain license screenshots and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.